What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Compound, which I wanted to make a video on because it's quite bullish again today. Alright, so just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's possible from here. It is quite bullish like I said, and we all know what Compound has been able to do when it's bullish. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. I'm not saying we're going to get a rally like this again, which went all the way from $30 up to $85. I'm not saying that, but there's bullish momentum that obviously is interesting. And then apart from that, we're also seeing some bullish momentum right here from Bitcoin, which is also interesting, and that also helps. Or at least that also helps the bullish momentum for Compound. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. We'll take a look at some things you need to know about, and that's what we'll do. All right, before we do that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. So for example, if I would go long on Compound, I will share it in there. I would not short Compound right now. But apart from that, just my trades in general, and you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description. But for now, let's get into Compound. All right, so what we're seeing, first to start off with some information you need to know about. If we check out Compound here, what you'll see is that the open interest and the volume are both today have risen incredibly much. Open interest has, since 12 o'clock this afternoon, in my time zone at least, flattened out a bit and is decreasing. Volume is still going up. All right, so if we take a look at the volume for Compound, still very high, around $91 million. And then you can also see that, well, at least usually you would be able to see that most of the volume is coming from manipulated sources, and this is a manipulated rally. All right, there's no news that's causing this move, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's bullish or bearish. That just means that it's volatile. So the biggest thing which is in the way of Compound right now is that there has been bullish confirmation, right? Compound has had a couple of bullish breakouts right here above $39, $40, but it's struggling with the most important key level in my eyes, and that's around $41. It's the area around $41, but let's just call it $41 for now, for simplicity. So it has found resistance there, and like I said, open interest has started to drop down. That's some bearish confirmation. But the biggest question is Compound is now trying to find support at $40 all the way down to 39.5, which is also support. The biggest question is will it be able to from that support break above 41 and 41.5? Like I said, it's an area. I would say it needs to break above 41.5. And that is something we'll see in the next 24 hours. All right, that's what Compound needs to do. If it's able to do that, we'll find some resistance at $44, but then a bullish break retest, and then it can try to head up towards this area right here between 45.5 and 47.5, which would be my big first price target if it gets that bullish breakout. But that is the question, right? I mean, we don't know if it's going to get that bullish breakout, and I would say keep an eye on that open interest and the volume. If the volume from here on out starts stalling or stops increasing at least, and the open interest also keeps dropping down, then it's most likely that this was just some sort of a manipulated spike, and that sure, Compound will find support at $39.5 and $40, but it will not be able to get enough support from there to break above 41.5, and it will slowly start dropping down again, get some sort of a bearish breakout through $39 at some point of time, and will remain bearish. All right, so it very much depends on the volume and the open interest. We can also see that in the chart. I mean, I would say that if Compound is not able to break above 41.5 today, it's probably not going to happen. All right, so today there's still that potential. I would wait for confirmation before going long if you do want to do that. But for now, that's my analysis, and that's what I wanted to say. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.